This is a prime lens and this is a zoom lens. What's the difference? A prime lens has a fixed focal length, meaning this 50mm lens will always be at 50 millimeters, while this 17mm to 55mm lens, on the other hand, which just so happens to be in my other hand, can change its focal length to anywhere within that range. Let's shoot with them. Primes tend to have fewer moving parts. They're available in wider apertures, lighter in weight, and in general have better image quality. All this often at a better price. A good zoom will have compatible image quality, but it may also cost much more than a prime. The real benefit of a zoom is flexibility. If there's no space to move around, then your zoom will come in handy. It might be a heavier and more expensive lens, but isn't carrying multiple lenses around also heavy and expensive? What's better between the two? With a prime lens, you better be happy with the focal length. Now you could, as they say, zoom with your feet. That's physically moving closer or further away from your subject. 5 feet away or 50 feet away, the focal length is still the same. They also say primes teach you to become a better photographer as it forces you to be more creative. It is true that limits can encourage you to come up with creative solutions. Using a zoom doesn't mean you're less creative. Your feet aren't glued in place. You can physically move around with a zoom lens. If your budget allows it, get both primes and zooms. If your budget is small, go with primes. Chances are an affordable prime will perform better than an affordable zoom. If your budget is good but not great, you'll enjoy the versatility of a good zoom. Bye!